Top magnesium-rich foods that help calm nerve discomfort. Nerve discomfort, often felt as tingling, burning, or dull pain, can stem from magnesium deficiency. This essential mineral supports muscle relaxation, nerve signaling, and stress modulation. When magnesium levels drop, nerves can become hypersensitive, increasing discomfort. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your diet can help ease these symptoms and promote nerve health. Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the top magnesium-packed foods that may help calm nerve discomfort. 1. Pumpkin seeds. Just 1 ounce offers nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs. These tiny seeds also provide antioxidants that protect nerve cells from damage. 2. Spinach. A cooked cup delivers over 150 milligrams of magnesium. This leafy green also contains folate and B vitamins vital for nerve repair and function. 3. Almonds. Almonds offer about 80 milligrams of magnesium per ounce. Their healthy fats and fiber help stabilize nerves and reduce inflammation. 4. Avocados. 1 medium avocado contains around 58 milligrams of magnesium. It also supplies potassium, which works with magnesium to relax nerve and muscle tissues. 5. Black beans. With about 120 milligrams per cup, cooked, black beans are a rich source of magnesium and fiber, supporting both gut and nerve health. 6. Dark chocolate. An ounce of 70% dark chocolate offers roughly 64 milligrams of magnesium. It's also rich in flavonoids that support brain and nerve function. 7. Bananas. Each medium banana has around 32 milligrams of magnesium. While modest, they also offer potassium to reduce muscle and nerve tension. 8. Swiss chard. This nutrient-dense green provides over 150 milligrams of magnesium per cooked cup. It also contains anti-inflammatory compounds beneficial for nerve relief. 9. Cashews. With about 82 milligrams per ounce, cashews deliver both magnesium and amino acids that assist in calming nerve signals. 10. Tofu. 100 grams of tofu supplies about 53 milligrams of magnesium. Its plant-based compounds may help reduce nerve inflammation over time. Adding these foods to your daily routine can help soothe nerve discomfort naturally. Magnesium plays a key role in calming the nervous system, making these choices not just nourishing, but therapeutic. Struggling with nerve discomfort that just won't go away? Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.